This video will show you how to import files into NVivo. First, you would set up folders under the Data area in Navigation View. We typically recommend that you create folders for different data types. In this example, we have folders for interviews, literature, and audio recordings. When I click on the interview folder in Navigation View, I can see the name of the folder here and the number of files it contains down at the bottom of the screen. I'm now going to click on the Files icon in the Import tab in the ribbon to import my files. The term files in NVivo includes video, audio, images, PDF and text files. In this example, I will import one of each type. After browsing to the folder from which I wish to import, I just need to select my files and then click Open. A dialog box opens. Then click Import. My files are now imported into my Interviews folder. You can drag a file from one folder to another if you wish to relocate it. I'm going to move Helen's audio file into the audio recording folder. I can do this by selecting the file and then dragging and dropping the file into the appropriate folder.